Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. This is my kitchen. The kitchen is clean. I cook in the kitchen. My kitchen is small. The stove is hot. I have a refrigerator. The sink has water. We wash dishes here. The oven is white. I open the cupboard. There are many plates. The plates are round. I need a fork. Where is the spoon? The knife is sharp. Be careful with knives. I put cups here. The cup is blue. She drinks from a glass. The glass is empty. I open the refrigerator door. The milk is cold. There is cheese inside. We have fresh eggs. The butter is yellow. I close the door. He turns on the stove. The water is boiling. I cook rice today. She cooks pasta now. The pot is big. I need a small pan. The pan is on fire. Turn off the stove now. I cut the bread. The bread is fresh. She makes a sandwich. I want some toast. The toaster is red. Put bread in the toaster. The microwave is useful. I heat my food. It takes 2 minutes. The food is ready. I wash my hands first. The soap smells good. I dry my hands. The towel is clean. We eat at the table. The table is wooden. I sit on a chair. There are 4 chairs here. I put the plate down. The fork is on the left. The knife is on the right. I pour water into my glass. The water is very cold. She adds salt to the food. The pepper is in the shaker. This soup needs more salt. I open the kitchen drawer now. There are many spoons inside. I take out 1 big spoon. She is looking for the bottle opener. The can opener is very old. I open a can of tomatoes. The tomatoes are red and fresh. I pour them into the pot. The sauce is cooking on the stove. It smells really good in here. I need to stir the soup. She is cutting vegetables for dinner. The onion makes me cry always. I wash the carrots under water. The potatoes are in the basket. I peel the potatoes with a peeler. The garbage bin is under the sink. I throw away the potato skins. The floor is wet and slippery. I clean the floor every day. The broom is behind the door. She sweeps the kitchen floor daily. I use a mop for cleaning. The bucket is full of water. My kitchen has a big window. The window lets in bright sunlight. I can see the garden outside. The curtains are white and pretty. I open the window for air. The kitchen feels cool and fresh. I am making breakfast for my family. My children like eggs in the morning. I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. She is whisking the eggs very well. I put butter in the frying pan. The butter melts quickly in the heat. I pour the eggs into the pan. The eggs are cooking right now. I flip them with a spatula carefully. Breakfast will be ready in 5 minutes. My husband is making coffee in the kitchen. The coffee maker is on the kitchen counter. He puts water in the coffee maker first. The coffee smells wonderful every single morning. I take milk from the refrigerator for coffee. We drink coffee together before work every day. The sugar bowl is on the table already. I like 1 spoon of sugar only. She drinks her coffee without any sugar. The kitchen is my favorite room at home. I spend a lot of time here daily. We keep all our food in this room. The pantry is next to the refrigerator door. I store rice and pasta in the pantry. The flour is in a big plastic container. I bought fresh vegetables at the market yesterday. The vegetables are in the bottom drawer now. I will make a salad for lunch today. She is washing lettuce in the sink right now. The tomatoes need to be cut into pieces. I am preparing dinner for 6 people tonight. We are having chicken and rice for dinner. The chicken is in the oven cooking slowly. I set the timer for 45 minutes exactly. The rice cooker makes cooking rice very easy. I just press one button and it works. The kitchen timer is ringing very loudly now. I need to check the food in oven. The chicken looks golden and delicious to me. I take it out using special oven mitts. The dish is extremely hot, so be careful. I place the hot dish on a trivet. The trivet protects my table from heat damage. My son is setting the table for dinner. He puts one plate at each place carefully. My daughter is folding the napkins very neatly. The napkins are made of soft white cloth. I light a candle in the middle tonight. Our kitchen table looks beautiful and ready now. Everyone is coming to the kitchen to eat. We always eat dinner together as a family. I serve the food onto everyone's plate first. The children say thank you before eating always. This meal tastes really delicious and hot tonight. My husband says I am a good cook. I learned to cook from my mother years ago. She taught me many easy and simple recipes. Now I am teaching my daughter to cook. She is learning how to make soup today. Cooking together is fun for both of us. After dinner, I always wash all the dishes. The sink is full of dirty plates right now. I put dish soap on the sponge first. The warm water feels nice on my hands. I wash each plate and cup very carefully. My husband dries the dishes with a towel. We work together to clean the kitchen fast. The dishes go back into the cupboard when dry. I wipe the kitchen counter with a cloth. The counter is clean and shiny now finally. I need to take out the garbage tonight. The garbage bag is almost completely full now. I tie the bag and carry it outside. Tomorrow is garbage collection day in our area. I put a new bag in the bin. The kitchen looks clean and organized again now. I check the refrigerator before going to bed. We need to buy more milk tomorrow morning. I write milk on my shopping list paper. The shopping list is on the refrigerator door. I use a magnet to hold the paper. Tomorrow I am going to the supermarket early. I will buy vegetables, fruit, and milk there. My kitchen needs many things for next week. I turn off all the lights before leaving. The kitchen is dark and quiet at night. I cleaned everything and feel happy about it. A clean kitchen is very important to me. Tomorrow morning, I will make pancakes for breakfast. My children love pancakes with honey on top. I keep the honey in the cupboard always. The recipe for pancakes is very simple really. I need flour, eggs, milk, and sugar only. I mix all the ingredients in a bowl. The batter should not be too thick or thin. I heat the pan on medium heat carefully. I pour small circles of batter in pan. The pancakes cook for 2 minutes each side. I flip them when I see little bubbles. The pancakes are golden brown and smell great. I stack them on a plate very high. Everyone will be so happy tomorrow morning surely. I love cooking for my family every single day. The kitchen is the heart of our home. We share meals, stories, and love here always. I am grateful for my warm kitchen space. It is not big, but it is perfect. I take care of my kitchen very well. My kitchen takes care of my family daily. This is why I love my kitchen so much. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.